folks, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at the event called StanceNation. We are going to be looking at cars which are very low to the ground and sometimes have these wheels poking out, which are called camber wheels. Camber wheels are when the wheels poke out and make the car look kind of funny and cool. Stance cars are mainly impractical and aren't that good to drive. Look at the height between the ground and these two cars. And also look at the wheel. You might think they're broken, but they're in fact not, because this is a part of stance cars. And stick around for more because I'm gonna be looking at a lot of stance cars.